and we pick the eraser to. Before that, let's rasterize it. If you don't rasterize it, don't allow it to work. Then we pick this one to hold the Alt key, enlarge it. Alright, you're welcome. Now this is the flyer we are going to create. It's a church flyer, and then these are the resources. This particular one, I created it from ChatGPT, the main text design. I'll put the prompts in the description box so that you can copy to get the same prompts. Alright, so let's get started. So obviously you go to file, you go to new, then you put in the size. The size is going to be 33.9, then 41.27 centimeters. The resolution remains the same, 300. The color mode remains the same. Then let's create. Now what I always do is that to unlock this particular icon, then let's start. Let me rasterize this one with a black background. So we come here, click solid color, change it to black. Now I want to put this on top of the background black. Realize that the background of the text is lighter than what we have here, so let's create something that will match it. I think that's fine. Click OK. So we pick the eraser tool, we clean the edges so that it can blend with the background. Now let's bring the logo of the church. Then you also bring the name of the church. You just copy and paste. The font I'm using is New Time Roman. Now let's create a shape by using the rectangular tool. Create a box here. So we come to the properties. We want to shape the edges of it, especially the top one. So we unlock it. I think it's okay. Give it a gradient. So you just come to the layer style, gradient overlay, yellow to white. I'm going to duplicate this to just drag and put it inside the new layer to duplicate. There are so many ways of duplicating. Then push one up, click on one of them, the top one. Now let's go and pick another text. We change the color to gold. So I just pick the color from the cross. Then we bring some of the images. Go to the blending mode, change it to luminosity. Pick the eraser tool, clean the edges, decrease the opacity. Then let's drag it down. I think it's okay. Let's go and bring the other image. So go to the blending mode, change it to luminosity again, reduce the opacity. Then let's pick the eraser to clean the edges so that I can easily blend. So we are going to bring this particular resource. Select this, the text, the main text, pick the eraser tool. So we have just shape it this way. Then we reduce the opacity of the name of the church. Let's bring the images of the speakers. So here you just go to the properties and just remove background. That's what I'm going to do throughout the three images. Pick the eraser tool to clean the edges, especially the down area, to blend with the background. Alright, so we are going to create. Now we are going to bring the venue and then the dates and the time. Copy and paste. Reduce the spacing. You also copy the venue. Just copy and paste. Now the venue, you're going to create a box. So pick the rectangular tool, create a box and put it inside it. We want the color to be violet. So just put it in front of it or on top of it. Change the color to yellow. So I just pick the color from the background here, the gradient background. Adjust it so that it can fix inside the box. So just increase the spacing between the letters here. Curve the edges by clicking on this link. So just copy and paste. Reduce the size. So bring it down here. You change the color to violet. With the violet here. And then we go and pick this text speakers. You change the font to Tuesday night. Put it somewhere here. Reduce the size a little bit. Drag it up here. Change the color to a good color here from the cross. And then you change the text. Just highlight it and change it to theme. Increase the size. Alright, so let's use American signature rather. The font, let's change the font to American signature. I think that's what we use. You change this one to the save to American signature font. Instead of Tuesday night. Let's maintain a black here so that it can come out. I realize it's not showing as much as I want it. And then we bring some of the images. Let's bring this. It's like my signature. It's a paper turn or paper flipping image. Use the eraser tool. Before that, let's rasterize it, the layer. Then use the eraser tool to clean the edges so that you can blend with the background. Increase the size a little. I want to change the color of the oval. So let me click on it, then pick the magic wine tool. You select the O. You put your hand on the shift key or the keyboard. There's a plus sign. Put your hand on the shift key on the keyboard. You see there's a plus sign that will disappear. You need to select all from the O to the. Then let's pick the paint bucket tool. Then we select the color. So you are just going to click and paint. Ctrl D to deselect. Ctrl O to zoom out. That's great. Now let's bring this particular resource There's a lot of people here that I want to inculcate into the flyer. Then we pick the eraser to before that. Let's rasterize it. If you don't rasterize it, don't allow it to work. Then we clean the top part of it. Let's bring it to the top. Use the opacity to bring it down a little bit. And the next thing you're going to do as the last thing is to pick the speaker, the one on the left and on your right. Duplicate it by holding the Alt key, increase the size, then use the opacity to reduce the intensity, then bring it up a little bit. Let's pick the eraser tool to clean the down part of it. Then pick this one to hold the Alt key, enlarge it, opacity to reduce. Remember to subscribe. I'm Jason Upper, and I'm out.